Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Dehaze in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. Here it usually opens up in the gallery. From the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After the picture loads, from the bottom bar, we have to select Effects. We tap on Effects, and then there is Dehaze and the little slider under it. By sliding the slider to the right, the picture becomes less hazy and becomes clearer. And if we slide it to the left, the picture becomes muffled and hazy and harder to understand. It's similar to making the picture less foggy by sliding it to the right, or more foggy by sliding it to the left. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.